Hello, students. I hope all of you are fine at home and doing good. And you all are learning very hard, studying very hard through this online mode of classes, right? So, today I have something new and very interesting for you all to learn. So, let's begin with the chapter. Hello, children. I hope all of you are doing good. So, welcome to your maths class. Okay, so I hope you can see the chart over here that I have already prepared for you all. So that is about multiplication. So in your earlier videos, you have already learned about little bit about multiplication, right? You have learned how to show multiplication. You have learned about the multiplication facts of 2, 5, 10, 3 and 4, right? So, the next topic that we are going to learn today is about multiplication without regrouping, right? So, you have already learned about addition and subtraction without regrouping, right? So, now the same thing we are going to do with multiplication, right, children? Let's begin the class. So, the first sum that we are going to multiply is 31 by 3. Right, children? So, just recall the multiplication facts of 3. So, that is going to help you to solve this sum. Okay, children? Let's begin. You can see, children, that in ones place, there are two places. In ones place, we have the digits 1 and 3. And in tens place, we have the digit only 3. How are we going to do it? Let's see. So, children, first step. There are two steps over here. I'm going to show you the first step. How can we multiply this number 31 by 3. We are going to first multiply the ones by 3. Right, children? Multiply ones by 3. So, that is going to give us 3 ones are how much? 3 ones are equals to, there is only 1 and with 3 we are going to multiply. So 1 into 3, that is going to give us 3 ones. What did it give us? It gave us 3 ones. Right, children? And the next step. So we are done with this. We are done with the ones place. Now what is the second step that we are going to follow? The second step that we are going to do is multiply tens by 3 again. Multiply the tens by 3. So, what is there in 3? In tens place, we have 3. So, we are going to multiply 3 tens into 3. So, 3 into 3 will be giving us 9, right? 3 threes are 9, right, children? So, we got the number 93. So, this is how, children, when we multiply 31. So, we got 31 into 3. That is equals to 93. So, what is our answer? Our answer is 93. Right, children? So, here 31 is the multiplicand, 3 is the multiplier, and 93 is the product, right? We learned about this, isn't it? So this is how, children, we saw that how this 2 digit can be multiplied with 1 digit. Okay? Now we move on to the next part. Okay? Here we have 2 digit and here we have 3 digits. Okay? So see, we have here ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So look at the first question. It was multiply 31 by 3. But the question can also be in the different way, that is, what is the product of 2 and 223? So let's learn the second question, how to multiply. So here we are going to multiply first with the ones place. Alright. So first we are going to start with the ones place always. Okay. So multiply ones by 2. Right? So when we multiply this, we get 3 ones into 2. 3 twos are equals to, so 3 twos are 6. Right? You have also learned about multiplication facts of 2. So that is going to help you to multiply. Right, children? So we are done with ones place. Now we'll move on to the second one, that is tens place. So that is going to be a second step. Okay. So here we will multiply tens, the tens place by 2 again. So here we have 2. So there are 2 tens. 2 tens into 2, that give us 2 twos are 4, right? Yes. So we are also done with the tens place. Now we'll move on to the hundreds place. So that is going to be a third step. So here we are going to multiply hundreds by 2 again. So by multiplying again the 200s into 2. Again, what we are going to get? We are going to get 2 into 2. That is, we are going to get number 4. So children, what did we understand? We understood that by multiplying 2 to 3, that is 223, by 2 we get 446. So 2 to 3 into 2 gives us the number 446. So children, you learned the two different sums, that how are we going to multiply without regrouping. Okay, that means there will not be any extra ones or extra tens in the sum. See, we did not get any extra tens, extra ones. Right, children? Okay, so we'll move on to the second part. Okay, the second part of the topic, that is, we are going to do the word problems now. Right, children? So let us see what do we have in a first word problem. Now here the question, okay, word problem, you have already learnt about it in your previous class as well as in your previous chapters of class 2, addition and subtraction. I hope you can recall, right? So the first word problem of multiplication we are going to learn here. So it says, Newton bought 9 boxes of muffins. How many boxes? 9 boxes of muffins. Each box had 2 muffins. How many? It had 2 muffins. How many muffins did she buy all together? So she bought, yes. So she bought how many muffins? That we have to multiply. So children, 9 boxes of muffins. So let us see how many boxes do we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 groups, right? 9 groups of 2 muffins, okay? So here what we'll see, we have to now multiply 9 into 2. So here we can see that there is only ones place. So this 9 ones is going to be multiplied by 2. Right, children? So simply we are going to recall the multiplication factor of 2. So with that help, we are going to see that 2 nines are equals to 18. As simple as that. But here children, you have to remember that this is a word problem. So you cannot just leave the number. You have to write a language. You have to write the problem in words. That how many muffins did she buy altogether? So the answer is going to be she bought how many muffins? She bought 18 muffins altogether. 18 muffins altogether. Right children? So children, this is how you have to solve this. With the sum, you have to write the words. Okay, you have to write the sentence. Alright? Now, we'll move on. I hope children, you all are able to understand. Right children? So, we are going to move on to the second sum of the word problem. Okay? So, here children, you saw that there is only one digit. That means we have the sum only in ones place. So, but here we have ones as well as the tens place. Okay. So, let's see what do we have in our second problem. Yes. I hope all of you can read this. So, children, the second problem we have over here is that says Amir gave each person 5 cards. How many cards? 5 cards. There were 10 people. So how many people were there? There were 10 people. How many cards did he give his people altogether? So see how many cards were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we are going to first multiply it stepwise. So here we had only one step as there was only one place, but here it's going to be stepwise just as we did here, right? So we are going to first multiply with the ones place. So 5 as we also know that any number which is multiplied by 0. So what does it give us? It is going to give us 0 only. Okay, so we are done with ones place. We'll move on to the tens place. So now we have number 1, and we also know that any number that is multiplied, it can be any number. Okay, that is multiplied by 1 will give the exact same number. So 5 into 1, that is going to give us 5 only. Okay. So here, what is going to be the answer, children? It has asked that how many cards did he give his people altogether? So what is going to be your answer? Your answer is going to be he gave. Okay, I'm going to write over here. He gave his people how many? 50. Okay, 50 cards all together. Right children? I hope children you have understood this topic. Okay, you have understood how you will multiply without regrouping. Okay, and how you are going to solve word problems. With the sum, you have to write these words, a sentence, answer in sentence as well. It is required. Okay, children. I hope this particular topic is clear to all of you. If you still have any doubt, please do not forget to clarify in the class. Okay, children. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care.